Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Yandere Simulator, while focused on love and elimination, also has a surprising economic side. You'll need money for a few key items and services to help your nefarious plans. Accumulating cash can really open up new strategies and make your life much easier in the game. It's an important aspect to consider for every aspiring Yandere. One of the most common ways to earn money early on is by helping your fellow students. Many characters around the school will have a task for you, often found by checking the task menu. Successfully completing these simple requests will reward you with a small amount of cash. It's a great way to build up your initial funds, so check those tasks daily. For a more consistent income, Yandere-chan can actually get a part-time job outside of school hours. This option usually becomes available after completing certain tasks or reaching a specific reputation level. It provides a regular payout at the end of each school day, helping you amass a good sum for all your future needs and schemes. Sometimes, you don't even need to work for your money in Yandere Simulator. Simply exploring the school grounds can lead you to hidden stashes of cash or other valuable items. These can often be found in lockers, classrooms, or even outdoors. Just pick them up, and they'll either add directly to your wallet or can be sold later for a nice profit. Earning money in Yandere Simulator isn't just a side quest, it's a strategic element. The cash you accumulate allows you to buy poisons, tranquilizers, or even hire a certain info-chan for special services. Prioritize your purchases wisely to achieve your goals and ensure Senpai's undying affection, making your path much smoother.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.